friends, welcome to my channel. We are going to solve a new problem, that is Hansen buys two kinds of cloth materials for school uniforms. Shirt material costs him rupees 50 per meter and trouser material costs him rupees 90 per meter, and for every 3 meters of shirt he buys 2 meters of trouser. So we don't know particularly how many meters of shirt and how many meters of trouser did he buy, and then he sells the materials at 12% profit and 10% profit, and his total sale is 36,600, and we have to find how much trouser material did he buy. So shirt material they have given, that is rupees 50 per meter, and trouser material they have given rupees 90 per meter. These are the few hints. And then every 3 meters of shirt he buys 2 meters of trouser. They didn't say exactly how many meters of shirt or trouser did he buy, so we have to find them. And then he sells these materials at profit, so they have given a profit percentage. We have to find the selling price of it, that is 12% and 10%, and the total sale is 36,600. They have given the total sale including the profits. So we have to check how much trouser material did he buy. So let us start solving them. First, let us write the given values. That is given that shirt material rupees 50 per meter and trouser material for rupees 90 per meter, and then trouser it is for 2x because they have given 2 times the meters. So for every 3 meters of a shirt he buys 2 meters of trousers. So we don't know how much exactly he bought how many meters he bought the trousers, so we just keep it as 2x. And shirt also, let's keep it as 3x. This x is unknown number which we have to find, so that if we multiply this x with 2, we will get the total trouser material he bought, and the shirt material, if we multiply with x with 3, that but if we find the value of x and that multiply with 3, we will get the shirt material how much he bought. And then total sale they given here is 36,600 rupees. So this is the total sale given, and they also given the profit percentages. So that is 12% for shirt and 10% for trouser materials profit. So these are the given values. With these hints and values we have to find the trouser material, how many meters did he buy. So let us start solving now. So first we have to find the cost of shirt and cost of trouser. So we know that cost of shirt per 1 meter will be 50 rupees. So we have kept that it will be 3x meters for shirt. So if we have to multiply 3x with 50. So cost of shirt will be 3x into 50. That will be 150x. This is cost of shirt, rupees 160x. And then when you come to cost of trouser, it will be 2x into 90, that will be rupees 180x. Next we have to find the selling price of the shirt and trouser. We have got the cost price. With cost price and profit percentage given, if we find the selling price, with that selling price of the shirt and trouser, we can add it with this selling price of shirt and selling price of trouser, and we can equate this sum with that total sale, that is 36,600. Then we can find the value of x, and from that we will get the shirt trouser material and shirt material length. How many meters are this? So let us simplify it. Now first we are going to find the selling price of shirt. Selling price of any selling price, the formula will be 100 into 100 plus profit percentage by 100. This is the formula. For shirt, the profit percentage we know that is 100 plus 12 percentage. The profit is 12 percentage and by 100 into CP. So never forget CP. So into CP here is 150x. For this SP formula only we have calculate the cost price of the shirt, 150x. Now if you simplify this 100 plus 12 by 100 into 150x, we get 168x. This is the value we get. And then when you find the SP of or the selling price of trouser, that is also formula same only, 100 plus profit percentage by 100 into CP, which will be equal to 100 plus 10 by 100 into 180x, because the profit percentage of trouser material is 10% and then cost price of this trouser will be 180x. So this will be equal to, I'm going to write the answer here, 100 plus 10 by 100 into 180x. The answer we get will be 198x. So this is the selling price of shirt and selling price of the trouser. Now we are going to simplify this more further. That is, we are going to add this selling price of shirt material, that is 168x, plus selling price of trouser material, that is 198x, and we are going to equate this with the total sale, that is 36,600. Now if we add 168x plus 198x, we get 366x. As these both are like terms, we can add them. We get 36,600 then. Then x value, it is easy to find. In LHS, that is 366 is the numerator. When it comes to RHS, it will become the denominator by 36,600 by 366. If you cancel these, means we will get the x value as 100. Now it will be easy for us to find the length of the trouser material and shirt material. So trouser, it will be 2x. We have found the x value, that is 2 into 100, that is 200. And then for shirt, it will be 3x, that is 3 into 100, that will be 300. So that's it. It's very easy to solve this problem. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.